Um, Next, I'll walk you through on how to activate your Microsoft 365 account. This is important because it gives you access to your official school email and the Office apps you'll be using while you're enrolled or while you stay here at FE Roosevelt. So Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based platform that includes tools like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and Canvas. These tools will help you in communication, collaboration, and productivity, whether you're working on your assignments, joining online classes, or submitting your school requirements. So, as you can see on your screen, you will receive an email from mailer at feroosevelt.edu.ph with a title of Welcome to FE Roosevelt. So it contains your Microsoft 365 account credentials. Please do check your inbox or spam folder for this message. Additionally, the attached PDF file includes your account details such as your email, your password, along with useful links for activating your Microsoft 365 and Canvas. It also provides links to NetSuite, bookstores, online order form, as well as our ITS help desk. Next would be activating your Microsoft 365. So for steps 1 and 2, once you have your credentials, you go to www.office.com and log in your account credentials. For steps 3 and 4, after logging in, you need to click next and download the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. For steps 5 and 6, install the app from Play Store or App Store. Once installed, go back to your browser and click Show QR Code. For steps 7 and 8, open the newly installed Microsoft Authenticator app and scan the QR code, and then you should follow the instructions on your phone, then click Next. For steps 9 and 10, after setting up the Authenticator app, you'll be asked to update your password. For 11 and 12, once you're done or once your password is updated, check the box that says don't show this again to reduce how often you're asked for the MFA. And then click yes. After everything is done, you'll be redirected to your Microsoft 365 dashboard. Additionally, here's a video guide on how to set up your Microsoft multi-factor authentication.
Multi-factor authentication is an added step to the sign-in process, which improves your security by requiring you to use a separate device to help verify your identity. Everyone in your business will need to go through this process. Let's look at how to set it up. When signing into Microsoft 365 for the first time, you'll go through the normal process of entering your work email address and password. You'll then receive a prompt for additional information. Select Next. You'll be prompted to download the Microsoft Authenticator app to your mobile device. Choose Download Now. On the Microsoft Authenticator website, scroll down, use your mobile device to scan the appropriate QR code, and follow the steps to install the app. Return to the Microsoft login screen and select Next. Read the instructions, then return to your mobile device and open the newly installed Authenticator app. Select Accept, Continue, Add work or school account, then scan a QR code. If prompted, allow the app to use your device's camera. Return to your desktop, select Next, and use your device to scan the QR code on your screen. Once the account is added, return again to your desktop and select Next. To test the installation, take note of the displayed number. Return to your mobile device, select the notification from the Microsoft Authenticator app, enter the number, and select Yes. When you return to your desktop, your test will be complete. Select Next. Then Done. MFA is now set up for your Microsoft 365 account. With multi-factor authentication, you will now be prompted to use the Authenticator app under certain conditions, like when signing into Microsoft 365 from a new location or device.
So there we have it, the guide for how to set up your MFA. Uh, Lastly, for our important reminders, students should always change their passwords regularly. Never share your login details, and also use your school email for all official school transactions. Okay, so for students who still doesn't have their Microsoft 365 account, or needing a password reset, or having trouble with MFA, feel free to fill out our ITS help desk, which will be displayed on your screen. Yan. So, dear parents and students, you may scan the QR code or key in the ITS help desk form.